So here we have put condition in just one column, but what if you want to put conditions in more than one column? Let's say one column has to be greater than 0, but the data in another column has to be greater than 1 as well. So in that case we have two options, and or. These are called logic operators. So we have our data frame here. You know how to use condition for the single column. Let's say we want w to be greater than 0, so we can pass in df of w greater than 0. This will return the data frame where this column is greater than 0, so it will drop column C. Now if you want to use multiple column, you can put this into a parenthesis and use and or operator and use another condition. So let's say we want y to be greater than 1 as well. For the first condition, 4 rows will qualify that, a, b, d and e, and for the second condition only one row will qualify e. And because and is intersection of these two, so only e will qualify out of this entire condition. This has to be greater than 1. Now this will return an error. It returns an error which is value error. The truth value of the series is ambiguous. Now AND doesn't know how to compare two series or a series with a scalar or single value. It can only compare two single values. That is true and true. If there is a series of truth and false and another series of truth and false, we have another operator in Python for that, and we can use ampersand. And now when I run this, it will work. So for this conditional selection, in place of AND we have this ampersand sign, and I will use the same condition here for the OR operator. And for OR you can use a pipe operator. Pipe operator is given directly above the enter key on your keyboard. If you run this should return 4 rows. We have A, B, D and E here for column W, which was greater than 0, and for column Y, one row was greater than 1. And because we are using OR operator, which is a union of both, so we will get all 4 rows A, B, D and E. And when we use the AND operator, which was an intersection of the two, then we got only E, as E was common between those two conditions.